Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video I will do is unboxing a digital microscope that I bought. If you plan to buy, watch, and finish this video. The digital microscope can be used on computers and mobile phones. When you buy, this is what you see inside the digital microscope box. The stand of digital microscope, I think it stands strong. Wow, this is the digital microscope. It's safe because it's still wrapped in bubble wrap. 2 USB connectors, Type-C and micro USB. User manual for digital microscope. Microscope, micrometer, calibration ruler. CD digital microscope driver for computer. This is the stand of the digital microscope. For me, the appearance is quality. The stand is nice because it is adjustable. This is the Type-C and micro USB connector for mobile phones. Digital microscope driver for computer. If you use a computer, you need to install it on the computer to use the digital microscope. Microscope micrometer calibration. It is also used to calibrate the digital microscope. User manual. Before you can use the digital microscope, you need to install the applications for iOS and Android phones. You can scan the QR code or direct to the link, and you can also download it from the App Store. And this is the application link for you to download if you use a computer. And finally, this is the actual digital microscope. You can see on the digital microscope are the zoom adjustment, snap button and lights controls button. Wow, the camera lens has a cover. I thought earlier that it was not a lens cover. What I can say about the appearance of the digital microscope is okay. And the good thing about it is that it is complete with accessories for computers and mobile phones. This is how to attach the digital microscope to the stand. The stand can be adjusted in any direction. The digital microscope is perfect for electronics and mobile phone repairing. If you use a mobile phone, keep the digital microscope driver for the computer in a safe. If you don't know how to use a digital microscope, that's not a problem because it's easy to follow. The user manual of the digital microscope. Now, you have seen the actual digital microscope and what accessories are included. If you like the digital microscope and are planning to buy it, it is better to watch part 2 of the video first. For the use and performance of the digital microscope. In part 2 of the video I will teach how to use digital microscopes on mobile phones, and so you can see the quality of the digital microscope's camera.